Hello children, hope you all are keeping well. Today I am going to teach you chapter 3, Input and Output Devices. Now before starting this chapter, let me ask you one question. Do you remember the parts of a computer which you have studied in class 1? I think yes. They are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are called the basic parts of a computer. There are helping parts of a computer also. What are the helping parts of a computer, children? Printer, pen drive, speakers, compact disc. So these are the helping parts. Now human body also has many parts. Can you name them? I think you all know. They are brain, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, etc. And these parts help us in many ways. Similarly, computer has also many parts and these parts also help us. A computer is also made up of many parts. Each part has a specific function. All these parts are called devices. These devices are of three types: input devices, processing device, output devices. Now what are input devices? We give the command or data to a computer through the input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, etc. So now processing device. The data is processed by the processing device. Now CPU is the processing device in a computer. So which is the processing device in a computer? CPU. Now what are output devices? We get the result or information through the output devices. For example, monitor, printer, speakers, etc. Now in details, I am going to explain you input devices and output devices. Now first of all, input devices. All commands and instructions are given through the input devices. Two important input devices are keyboard and mouse. So how a keyboard looks like? Keyboard is a flat board. It has many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. Alphabets and numbers are written on these keys. We press the keys to type. What we type is displayed on the monitor. Okay, now about mouse. What is a mouse? A mouse is a pointing device. It helps in dragging and dropping an object. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. We press the left button to select what we want to do. This is called left click. Now mouse pointer is displayed as a small arrow on the screen which helps in pointing an item on the screen. Joystick and mic are also input devices. Now about CPU. CPU is the most important part of a computer. It is also called the brain of a computer. It understands and tells other parts what to do. All the parts of a computer, the monitor, keyboard and mouse, are attached to the CPU by electric wires. Now I'll tell you about the output devices. The processed data or the results are displayed or printed through the output devices. The two most important output devices are monitor, printer. Now monitor looks like a television. It is also called video. The full form of video is visual display unit. This is very important. The front part of the monitor is called the screen. When we type something on the keyboard, it is displayed on the screen of the monitor. Now, monitors are of two types. What are those two types? You are going to learn the names: color monitor and monochrome monitor. What is color monitor? The display on a color monitor is in different colors. Color monitors are more popular and people prefer to work on them. They are used in graphic designing. What is monochrome monitor? This monitor displays everything in black and white. But especially children, we use color monitor. Now, what is printer? Printer helps us to print the output or the process data on a paper. A pair of speakers is also an output device through which we get the sound or music from a computer. Now, I will teach you about storage devices. Storage devices are used by a computer to store data, instructions, and information. Storage devices are also considered as output devices. Some commonly used storage devices are compact disc, hard disk, pen drive. Now, what is compact disc? We also call it as CD. It is used to store data. A compact disc is very small in size and can be easily carried along. Now, hard disk. What is hard disk? Hard disk is fixed inside the computer. It can store a large amount of data. Now, about pen drive. It is a small device in which we can store lots of data. We can easily carry it anywhere. So children, a computer is made up of 4 types of devices. Remember this: input device, processing device, output device, and storage device. You are going to learn what are the different types of input devices and output devices and storage devices. Okay, and about processing device. Now I will tell you about laptop. What is a laptop? A laptop is a computer. It is also a computer. It is smaller in size and easy to carry. It also has a monitor, a keyboard, and a CPU. In laptops, there is a touch mouse pad. By moving the finger on it, we can move the pointer on the monitor. A laptop has 2 buttons below the touchpad. Left button is pressed for a left click. So children, you are going to learn what is a laptop and the full form of CD, VDU, and the function of keyboard, mouse, and printer. Hope children, this explanation will help you. Thank you.